Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can view the battery usage and activity by app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Battery. Next in here, go down to the bottom section. In here, you'll be able to view your battery usage in the last 24 hours, or you could select in the last 10 days. And if you scroll down, you can see here, it shows your battery usage by app, or you can tap on Show by Activity. So tapping on the screen will switch between battery usage by app or by activity. And that's it. So here you can see at the top of the list, the weather widget uses up the most battery. So if you suspect it's causing a problem, you may want to turn off the widget or the app itself. And that is how you can view your battery usage by app on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.